What's up, guys?
Because.
We at the doctor's office right now, checking on his heart murmur. I suppose heart murmur. Get off the floor, man. Anyway, I don't know what they're doing up here. Lord have mercy. They busy. They busy.
Hi, Susu.
I can't get out. Move.
So the doctor just left out. She just listened to his heart. He was being a total brat right now. Look at him. Why are you being a brat? You don't know. You scared? You think you're going to get a shot? So because this was a follow-up appointment, and she said she still kind of hears the murmur a little bit, she's going to send us to a specialist, heart specialist, I guess, to do some further tests, and she'll determine, or he will determine, whether it's like serious.
She said she only hears me in one position, but she said it's benign.
Kendall don't think nothing is ever wrong, but we'd rather be safe than sorry. Did it scare you when you walked in here and saw that stuff on him? No.
I'm shocked.
Yeah.
Whoa, what's all this?
Yeah. Was it scary? You are a big boy. I'm so proud of you. High five. You did such a good job. You didn't even cry. So we are at the cardiologist right now. They just did an EKG on son. Couldn't film it, but the cardiologist is about to come in here and let us know if he sees any abnormalities on the EKG. So yeah, that's it. So we're just leaving the cardiologist. They did the EKG, they listened to his heart, we talked to the cardiologist, they explained everything to us. Everything turned out good. He said the EKG looks good. He heard the murmur, but he said that it shouldn't affect him in any way. He was like, his heart is fine. Sometimes when they're like 2 to 5 years old, and because their chest is so small, they could just hear the flow of blood stronger than they would another heart, right? Is that what he said? Yeah. So because he just has a super strong heart, right? That's the only reason why they heard it. So he said it shouldn't affect him in any way. What?
Burger. Burger.
Burger? You want a burger? Okay, hold on. You just had a snack. So happy that that turned out good, and we don't have to worry about that anymore, because it was freaking me out. You know, you start Googling stuff, and it's like, oh shit, my son got heart disease. Like, it was making me really nervous, but I'm so happy that everything turned out good. So right now, hold on, baby. I'm on the way to the car wash because my car smells disgusting. One of the kids, I think, mixed, oops, missed it. I think they mixed some milk, some spoiled milk with juice, and they left a cup in the back, and it smells so bad. And I've been putting off this car wash for way too long anyway, so now I need to go get my freaking car washed.
Okay. What I said? Stop. Now look. Pay attention. See? Stop. Look. Loop. Say loop. Swoop. Pull. Pull this. This one. Pull this one. Good job. Pull it. Ah, almost did it. Hold on. Loop. Swoop. Pull it. Pull this one.